Do you want to be respected by others? Are you curious to know how you can earn the respect you deserve? Respect, a simple seven-letter word, yet it carries such profound meaning. It's a fundamental aspect of our lives, a cornerstone of human relationships. It's that intangible currency which every human being craves to have in their emotional bank. The psychology behind respect is fascinating. When we feel respected, we feel valued, appreciated, and recognized for who we are. It's like a mirror reflecting the best version of ourselves, boosting our self-esteem and fueling our drive to be better. Respect is not just about feeling good about ourselves, it's a social adhesive that binds us together, fostering harmony, understanding, and cooperation. It's a cornerstone of a happier and fulfilling life. So, how can we garner this precious commodity? How can we be the person who walks into a room and commands respect? Let's explore the top 6 ways to gain respect from others. The first way to gain respect is honesty. Now, you might be thinking that sounds obvious, right? But truly, honesty is the building block of all healthy relationships, and it's a crucial component in gaining respect. Picture this: you're in a team at work, and you've made a mistake. It's natural to feel the urge to cover it up, to avoid embarrassment or criticism. But imagine instead, you own up to it, apologize, and set about correcting it. That's honesty in action. It shows that you're accountable and it builds trust. Or consider a personal scenario. You've promised a friend to meet for lunch, but something urgent comes up. Rather than making up an excuse, you tell them the truth. They may feel disappointed, but they will appreciate your honesty. In both these situations, honesty fosters trust. People respect those they can trust. It's as simple as that. So, when it comes to gaining respect, remember, honesty is the best policy. The second way to gain respect is by showing integrity. Integrity is all about being consistent in your actions, values, and outcomes. It's about being the same person no matter who's watching. When you're alone, at work, or with friends, your principles remain unchanged. Think about it. When someone's actions align with their words, it's easy to trust them, right? That's because their integrity makes them predictable, reliable. It's comforting to know that they won't suddenly change their stance or behavior based on the situation they're in or the people they're with. Now, let's consider the role of integrity in gaining respect. People respect those who stand by their beliefs, even when it's tough. They admire individuals who don't compromise their values for convenience or personal gain. When you show such integrity, others see you as someone who's strong, trustworthy, and admirable. So remember, if you want to earn respect, be consistent. Be true to yourself and your values. Integrity is the cornerstone of respect. The third way to gain respect is through kindness. Now, what is kindness? It's more than just being nice, it's about understanding, empathy, and compassion. Kindness is about treating others how you would like to be treated, and it's a quality that people value highly. Imagine this: you're having a rough day, and someone offers you a comforting word or a helping hand. That simple act of kindness can turn your day around. That person earns your respect, right? They showed understanding and empathy when you needed it most. Or think about a leader who treats their team with kindness. They don't belittle or berate, but rather they uplift and encourage. They create a positive environment, and in return, they earn the respect of their team. In both these examples, kindness was the key to gaining respect. So, remember, it doesn't cost a thing to be kind, and the rewards can be immeasurable. Kindness always pays off. The fourth way to gain respect is by displaying confidence. Confidence is like a beacon, shining brightly, attracting the admiration and respect of those around you. When you walk into a room with an air of self-assuredness, you command attention. People naturally gravitate towards those who exude confidence because it's a sign of self-belief and capability. Confidence isn't about arrogance, but rather a quiet, steadfast belief in one's abilities. It's about standing tall, speaking up, and asserting yourself when necessary. It's about embracing challenges and not shying away from them. When you display confidence, you show others that you trust in your own abilities, and this trust is infectious. Confidence also means being comfortable in your own skin, embracing your strengths and acknowledging your weaknesses. People respect those who can confidently accept their imperfections, as it shows a level of self-understanding and acceptance that is rare to find. Remember, confidence is key. The fifth way to gain respect is by taking responsibility. You see, owning up to your actions, both good and bad, is a sign of true maturity and integrity. It shows that you are someone who can be trusted. someone who doesn't shy away from the consequences of their decisions. Let's think about it. When you make a mistake and take responsibility, it demonstrates that you're not only aware of your shortcomings, but also willing to learn and grow from them. This openness and honesty can be refreshing, and it allows people to see you as a human being, just like them, who is trying to navigate life. On the other hand, when you do something commendable and take responsibility, it shows that you're not seeking glory or approval, but simply doing what needs to be done because it's right. This selflessness and dedication can inspire others and earn their respect. In essence, responsibility is about being reliable, accountable, and mature. It's about understanding that your actions have consequences and being willing to stand by them. Responsibility earns respect. The sixth way to gain respect is through generosity. Remember, generosity isn't just about opening your wallet. It's about opening your heart, your time, and even your wisdom. Think about the people in your life who you admire and respect. Aren't they the ones who share their knowledge freely, who spend their time helping others, who are generous with their resources? Imagine a colleague at work who's struggling with a project. You could choose to keep your expertise to yourself, or you could step in and offer your advice, your guidance. That's generosity, and it's a surefire way to gain respect. Consider a friend who's going through a tough time. You could choose to carry on with your own life, or you could take some time out of your day to lend a listening ear. That's generosity. In a world where everyone seems to be looking out for number one, choosing to be generous sets you apart. It makes you someone people look up to, someone people respect. Generosity is a respected trait. Mastering these 6 ways can greatly improve your life both socially and professionally. Let's take a moment to revisit them. First, we talked about honesty, the cornerstone of all success. Next, we delved into the powerful impact of integrity, standing up for what is right even when no one is watching. Then, we explored the profound influence of kindness, which can change the world around us. We also touched upon the importance of confidence, a magnet that attracts respect. Later, we discussed responsibility, the weight we carry that defines our character. Finally, we rounded off with generosity, the virtue that makes us memorable. By embracing these 6 principles, you're not only gaining respect from others, but also enriching your life with purpose and satisfaction. So, are you ready to step up your game and earn the respect you deserve? Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive more videos like this. Remember, respect is not given, it's earned. It's